Welcome back to the Content TV, the only TV where you can get information about cryptocurrencies and digital assets, plus NFT and other related updates in cryptocurrency industry. So guys, as usual, it's me here. I want really to talk about cryptocurrency and what we're expecting it to happen tomorrow on let me first check the date first. Okay, after tomorrow. It's not tomorrow, it's after tomorrow on 14th. I know people are just willing to receive more things from Pi Network, but as well as I believe something better is coming in the future. Okay, what am I going to discuss about? I'm going to discuss about situation on 14th, because many people have been asking me about it, that what do I expect, what will it happen, and how the situation, and what should people be aware of, and what should people be prepared of. So guys, okay, the announcement was there that Open Mainnet is going to happen on 14th March, and many people were challenged, and people are expecting even GCV. Others are expecting something better, even something that they have never heard of. As me, I am moving forward, waiting for the Open Mainnet to see what is next. Let me try to highlight what do I think, because there is one guy I have tried to read and he's thinking the same way like me. But I believe what I'm thinking, okay, this is not professional advice, but you can run always to do your own research, because I believe at least that one can help you. Okay guys, there's a lot of speculations that Pi Network could be listed on Binance on 14th. Okay guys, let me try to be clear about it. We have never received any clear announcement of Binance listing Pi coin, but it is in speculations, and people have already started that it will be a boom and boosting of Pi coins on that date. But sincerely speaking, on both sides, is either Binance or either Pi Network core team have never announced anything. But the truth is that we are expecting something better from these two companies, because Binance is the most listed exchanger on CoinMarketCap, and that is really a big thing if Pi Network is listed on this coin, because this exchanger, because this exchanger is the first and performing well exchanger with a lot of trust, and it is ranked as first exchanger in the world. So it's a very good milestone for Pi Network to be listed to this exchanger. But also, what do I expect? Okay guys, on 14th March, it's going Pi Network has already said that it's going to release the mass migration, where we are going to get other coins that we have mined, where we are going to get them. I mean, where we are going to get these coins which have been circulating on an unverified balance, and many people are going to receive that kind of migration, and that mass migration means a lot. Let me try to highlight and tell you why. The total supply of Pi Network is 100 billion. As we are talking now, the total supply which is on the market is 7.22, which means almost 92 are not on the market. So Pi Network is willing to release the mass migration, willing to release the mass migration on 14th. Okay, this is what I expect from 14th up to the following day. Though there is a possibility that Binance can list Pi Network and boost its price from $3 to $5. But also after the mass migration, I also expect a pressure of selling, which will push even back the price of Pi Network even up to back to $1. You don't believe maybe in the same way like me. But let us consider the truth which is already around. Pi Network is now trading. Okay, it has been resisting between 123, 124, and the resistance line did not break it, so it's going up. We have seen it has already reached there even up to 1.7. But let's talk about the truth which is there. When another migration will be released, this is what is going to happen. The total supply is going to be too much, and people are going to start depositing their Pi coins that they have mined on exchange, willing it to exchange when the price will be high to $3. So the more they will deposit more on some of the exchange are willing to exchange to currency, there will be the power, what we call selling power, selling pressure, which will push the price of Pi network even back to $1, even back to 0.8. This is a clear understanding. If there will be a mass migration, which means pioneers will be willing to sell their coins so that they can get money. And you know, when there's too much selling, that means there is liquidation, total liquidation in different exchanges. So that pushes the price of Pi network down. And as I can say that we are going to face, after this launch, okay, I'm just talking about Pi network as a crypto because we have already seen the Pi network as a crypto. We have already seen the price of crypto. We have already seen the face of Pi network. So my suggestion is that we are willing and waiting. My suggestion is that we are willing and waiting. We are willing and waiting for this. We are willing and waiting for this. We are willing and waiting for this migration to come. But this is going to be is going to change because the total supply is going to be much. As we are talking, only 7 billion is the one which is on the market. So almost 92 are not on the market. So if 92 are not on the market, 7 billion is already on the market and is trading 1.6. What about if they release another 10 total supply to move to the market? We are going back. That means that we are going back to the original, to where we started, to 0.8. So guys, what do I recommend for pioneers? After 14th, I know we are going to face a selling pressure. I'm talking about in crypto way. But even if we get that selling pressure, we need to go and buy and hold more Pi coins that we can, because they are going to be cheap. And when they become cheap, we are going to get more. We can buy more as much as we want, because I know there will be a time in the future this Pi coin is going to raise even up to 100 or to 1,000. So what we just need to keep our supply. We keep it, whether they are circulating it. Pioneers, we need to buy them until we finish them from exchange even. Okay guys, that was what I expect of from Pi network on as a crypto. So there's a lot of rumors talking about Pi network in the ecosystem, that the price will be given. Others have said that GCV will be applied tomorrow. Others are talking, there's a lot of, okay, they're trying to talk about too much, but when I see something the way things are, it seems like GCV is not going to work tomorrow. But though they can even announce it, but you want to get somewhere to exchange for you that kind of money, because it's very hard to get someone who has that money to exchange for you into cash. Even if they announce of GCV tomorrow, it's going to take us some years for you to get someone to give you cash of money, so that we withdraw anything in terms of fiat. So whether we are praying it, whether whatever we are doing, I don't think GCV, even if it's announced by core team, I don't think it's going to work out immediately, because now GCV, if they announce GCV, even total supply is going to be too much. I don't know how it can be a stable coin at that such, but I expect something different. But let's wait for the announcement of these guys, this core team. We see what we are going to push on and what we are going to see. But meanwhile, I would like to update you that there's one company, real estate, which has already accepted Pi network as a method of payment. Is called Digital Reality. Its job is okay. People with more Pi coins, they can just go and buy their houses in California, because the company is already in California, and the capital of that company is almost 3.3 trillion. So it's the same thing. Different companies are trying to adapt this currency, this assets, so that can be traded. And you remember, by the time we were starting this network, we were saying that the backbone is what? We were saying that the backbone is goods and services. So there's a lot of things that are happening to this coin, but normally the movement is good unless when pioneers increase the total supply, and I'm very sure that pioneers will keep increasing it. But unfortunately, let's wait and see what is going to happen. And I'm willing that by 14th, we are going to wait for the official announcement of core team. And also we are willing to see if Binance, oh, by the way, Binance, if Binance will announce, if Binance will list Pi, it was supposed to give us a notification today or tomorrow morning. So we are going to see, because every time when Binance is going to launch, every time Binance first announce of the coin, so that people can be aware of that the coin is going to be listed on Binance. So since I have not received any Binance information, it means that this coin is not going to be listed. Unless when I receive the notification, that's the time I'm coming here back, saying that Pi Network is going to be listed on Binance. Okay, that's what we are wishing. We are wishing, all of us are wishing, that the Pi Network can go to the first platform, first exchange, first crypto bank, which is Binance. But unfortunately, we are just talking. We cannot push that instant to be. But I know Binance has been charging too much money to list the coin. I don't know if it has charged even Pi Network to list the coin, but I don't know. Let's wait for, like, tomorrow on 13th. We see if there is a change that is going to be made, and if the changes will be there, we are going to update you in time. So guys, thank you very much for getting these updates. And let's see, I want to see your comments. Just say with the country where you are, if you support Pi and GCV. I don't know what you're saying. You just comment. I would like to request you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, the only place where you can get information and market predictions about Pi Network, about other cryptocurrency industry, so that you can stay updated. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.